Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good and doing well. I am also fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another beautiful collection of Halloween ghost ideas. In this video, I will gonna show you chicken wire ghosts. In this video, I will gonna show you chicken wire ghost ideas for upcoming Halloween. I hope you will enjoy my video. So please watch my video till end. Thank you so much. Viewers, if you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, if you have any query or any demand, then tell us on comment section. We will try to make videos on the basis of your demands and try to fulfill your demands. Viewers, please don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Viewers, I really hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching my full video. Thanks.